3 major keys to effective lead generation. A lot of marketers seem to be lost in their definitions of lead and marketing. While everyone is on the same page with respect to what a lead is, there are actually 3 separate and distinct categories. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 3 major keys to effective lead generation. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Let's take a look at them and how you can use them to benefit your marketing. Leads can come from many different places in your business or in your personal life. They can be sourced through leads from your current client base, prospects in your downline. Or they can even be obtained from social networking. Social media is one of the most powerful methods that lead marketers can use to connect with prospects in a low-pressure setting. In fact, some experts advocate those social media outlets such as Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook are an excellent way of connecting with leads because they provide a conversational atmosphere and allow you to ask questions, clarify issues or even vent any frustrations that you may have. Business leads, on the other hand, can be more specialized. They come from your own internal system of sales, customers, or clients, which might include a physical location, a storefront, or a call center. Business leads are generally more difficult to generate than business or personal leads. Personal lead generation, which includes cold calling or prospecting methods, is one of the most challenging ways to generate qualified leads. Although it can work, it is not a sure thing. There are many examples of people who were successful at cold calling but lost a lot of money because they did not identify the right prospect or did not fully promote themselves. On the other hand, there are many examples of marketers who have turned prospects into paying customers through their marketing efforts. So how do you determine which method is right for you? First, think about how much time you are willing to invest. If you need to spend 1 hour on each prospect, it would be more cost-effective to do prospecting the traditional way. However, if you have the luxury of time, then you can experiment with other prospecting methods. Be creative and innovative in your thinking. Secondly, consider your marketing plan. A successful business or personal lead generation campaign doesn't happen by itself. You will need to invest time and effort in developing an effective marketing strategy. The more time and effort you put into marketing, the higher your chances are of success. Last but not least, assess your competition. Are you up against a business or personal that has a better product, service, value, or reputation? If so, do you have an advantage over them? If you do, then your marketing strategy can be designed around your strengths. Focus on these 3 major keys. Then expand on them. Your business or professional development strategy should be built around these keys. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the information out there. Just remember these 3 major keys and you will be well on your way. When I first got started as a real estate agent, my prospecting activities were centered around cold calling. It was a great way to generate business, but it didn't give me a lot of other advantages. When I first started, people were not really buying homes. The real estate market wasn't like it is today. As time went on, we eventually became known as a top prospecting agency. One of the major keys to effective prospecting activities is to identify your unique advantage, your unique selling proposition or USP. Once you have developed this, you can use it to drive business. Tell people about your USP. This is your big business marketing plan. Once you have developed your USP, start marketing it aggressively. Put direct mail pieces in your mailbox. Place signs on streets and in your windshield. Offer deals and discounts to bring more people into your store. Be aggressive in your marketing efforts, but be careful not to push too hard. At the same time, use good customer service and give people plenty of opportunities to ask questions or request more information. Use the old-fashioned technique of leaving business cards with everyone you meet, even if they don't buy anything. Thanks for watching my video about 3 major keys to effective lead generation. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.